Welcome to BB Mathematics Learning Point. So today I am discuss about logarithm function. A to the power y equal to x. A to the power y equal to x. Here this is the base. This is the power, and this is the x is your number. Then this implies convert into log form means your log x base a equal to y. This is the any exponential form can be converted into logarithm form. Here power is y, that is log of x. Base is always remaining same. Log x to the base a equal to y. So we take one example, that is 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. Then convert into, this is the power form, convert into logarithm form. This equal to log 16 base 2 equal to 4. Solution, because this is the log 16 to the base 2, this equal to log 2 to the power 4 to the base 2, so this equal to 4 log 2 base 2. Here log 2 base 2, this equal to 1, number and base is same, so value of the logarithm equal to 1, that means 4 into 1 equal to 4. Then some properties about the logarithm function. Log 2 base 2 equal to 1, because according to properties log a base a equal to 1. This is the properties of the logarithm function. Number and base is same, so value of the logarithm equal to 1. Then properties, some properties of the logarithm function. Here properties, of logarithm function. First one is log m into n to the base a equal to log m base a equal to a plus of log n base a. This is the, suppose given here log m into n, this is the m into n means you take only positive sign, log m base a plus of log n base a. Similarly, number 2, log m by n base a log m base a minus of log n base a. Here divide means you take minus here, that means log m base a minus log n base a. Number 3, log m into n divided by pq base a. So this equal to, write down here, log m base a plus of log n base a minus of log p base a minus log q base a. That means numerator m into n, you take positive sign and divide pq, that means you take negative sign, both case negative sign, p and q are negative sign. Then suppose example log e, that is 3 into 2 divided by 5 into 7. So this equal to log 3 base e plus of log 2 base e minus of log 5 base e minus log 7 base e. Next, properties number. So first one is log m into n base a. This is the multiplication, means you take positive sign. Then another one, division, means you take negative sign, m by n, log m base a minus log n base a. Then log m into n pq. So this equal to log m base a plus of log n base a minus of log p base a minus log q base a. So this is the example. Again, so here this is the m into n, that means this is multiplication, means you take positive signs, and divide means you take negative sign, that is log 5 base 2 base e and minus of log 7 base e. Then other properties. This is the third properties, m into n divided by pq. So log m base a plus of log n base a minus log p base a minus of log q base a. Again, property number 4. Property number 4, log a base b equal to log a base e divided by log b base e. This equal to, you can write down log a divided by simply log b, log a divided by log b. Then number 5, log a base b equal to 1 by log b base a. You just only reverse the ab, that means log b base a. Then number 6, log a base b equal to log a base c into log c base d into log d base e, that is b. Then here this is the chain formula, log a base b equal to log a base c into log c base d again into log d base b. Number 7, base a log a base a. So this equal to 1 properties. Then number 8, log e equal to 1. Log e equal to 1. What is the value of e? E equal to 2.714. This is the fixed value for e, 2.714. Then properties number 9, log x to the power m base a. This equal to, you take m log x base a. This is the x to the power m, is taking power outside the logarithm, m into log x base a. Then number 10, log a to the power m b to the power n. So this equal to m by n log a base b. This is the base power is here n and number power is m, then taking outside the logarithm, that means m by n log a base b. This is the properties. Then other properties are 11, log 1 base a equal to 0, and number 12, that is log 0 base a equal to minus infinity. This is the 12 properties. I will also prove that first one, that is log m base a equal to log m base a plus of log n base a. These are the properties. All properties are given here. Only proof first one is proof. So first one, log m base a equal to log m base a plus of n base a. So how to prove that log m into n base a? So here number property number 9. This is the power. Here this is the m. You can take it outside the logarithm. That means here m into log x base a. Similarly, a to the power m. Here power is a to the power is m. M is taking outside the logarithm. Again b to the power n. This is also taking outside the logarithm. This the divide here m by n. That means log a base a. Then now prove that first one is prove that. Prove. Let log m base a equal to x. That means a to the power x equal to m. This is the logarithm form. Log m base a equal to x. You take x to the power a to the power x equal to m. This is the exponential form. This is the equation number 1. Again, let log n, this is the right side, log n base a. So this equal to y. Similarly, a to the power y equal to n. This is the equation number 2. LHS. Given here LHS log m into n base a. So this equal to, put here value of, you can put here m equal to a to the power x. Again value put of n means a to the power y into a to the power y. So this equal to log a to the power x plus y, because here base is barabar, that means a into a, that means power is addition here, x plus y, again base a. Then exactly properties number, here properties number 9. According to 9, you can take outside the logarithm x plus y log a base a. So this value is 1. According to properties, here value is 1. Number and base is same, so this equal to 1. Then here x plus y. Then substitute here x equal to log m base a. So this equal to log m base a plus of log n base a equal to RHS. Proved. So this is the LHS, log m into n base a. This equal to log m base a plus of log n base a. This is the RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Number 6. Then prove that number 6. 6 is very simple. Log a base b. This equal to log a base c into log c base d into log d base b. Then prove here prove that property number 6. So this equal to RHS equal to log a base c into log c base d into log d base b. So this equal to, use properties numbers 4, that is log a divided by log c into log c divided by log d into log d divided by log b. then your log d cancel, log c cancel, we get log a divided by log b. That means log a base b. This is the LHS proved. This is the RHS, then log a base b, here also log a base b. This is the proof. Use only here properties number 4. Then this is the log a base b equal to log a base b. Here exactly same process, log a divided by log c into log c divided by log d into log d divided by log b. So here log c numerator and denominator cancel, here log d cancel, we get log a divided by log b. So this equal to again log a base b. This is the LHS. So very simple. Then you can prove also number 2, number 3, exactly same process. Then you can prove log m base a plus of log n base a, log m by n base a, this equal to log m. Second property is log m base a minus log n base a. ये आराम से प्रूव है परिभाव. तो now next class आम आ गोटे नुआ चैप्टर नहीं आसबू. बर्तमान मुझे विराम नौची. नेक्स्ट क्लास देखा. थैंक यू.